I got my bachelor's degree, I worked for a couple years figuring things out. Now I'm ready to hit the fast track with my career and I'm ready to work.
The MSA MBA program is one of our top offerings. It's a tremendous opportunity for students who are either coming directly from undergraduate or folks who have decided it's time to take a turn in their career and do something else.
What I love about our program, the MS in Accounting MBA program, is that students start off with an academic experience for the first 6 months, and then they go out and use that knowledge that they've gained in practice. They're working for one of the big accounting firms in town or across the country.
You're actually doing what first-year associates would do.
I think it's really been a lot more hands-on than I was expecting.
I really felt like I was a part of the team.
They are given real responsibilities. They're made part of a team, and it's very, accelerated onboarding that they have.
I'm really seeing the entire audit process. On my last engagement, I was working on anything from payroll testing to early on valuations, so I'm doing kind of a lot within the audit.
Having that experience, in addition to going to a program that's really strong academically, really means a lot. It's one thing to have that theoretical experience in the classroom, but the hands-on experience in the workplace really matters.
If you're like me, who was out working for a few years and you decide to come back to school and you really want an accounting program, this is a great program.
I just couldn't find anything comparable.
A really high number of our students are offered full-time employment at the end of the corporate residency process. That's due in large part to the great work they're producing and the sponsorship and support and endorsement of our alumni in the firms.
So I have a job offer in hand. I'll be graduating and be jumping right off into that.